This is the dipping slash chewing video. This is my buddy Chris, he's a retard.
Levi Garrett. Ready back? Gonna open it right now. Little freshness right there. You wanna get this done?
Now I just bought this can of Grizzly Winter Run.
Woo!
Hasn't been opened. I'm gonna open it right now.
Open it right now. Dolly Parton, Beverly Hills, Tennessee.
Can you pack it?
What's that? You don't gotta pack this, so this is delicious. It's in a bag. As we call it, it's a pouch. See, take a big old little thing like this, chop half of it out of your head, whatever. Just pick it up, put it back in. Stuff it right there, and try it up.
There's 3 kinds of pinches you can do. You use 2 fingers. What?
Hi, Mama. We're making a video.
You got a glass jar?
That's my mama. Look, Mom. She's a retard, don't worry about it. You can get out now.
What's wrong with y'all?
Okay.
Anyway, back to this.
You use 2 fingers, be a fag. Use 3 fingers,
Be a
man.
bad.
3, you use the whole damn can.
Be a real man.
Be a real man.
But he's not a real man.
I'm gonna do 3 fingers.
He's alright. Where's my cup at? I brought my cup. What I love about South. So, yeah. We'll see your different techniques. We'll show you different techniques. What do you do now?
Then, when you're ready, you can just spit.
See me? Gotta chew that a little bit. Right there. Yeah. Then you smack. I'm driving home at the 2 umbrella guns. Hurry's down the street. He freaking spilled his freaking dip on my computer. What the heck? This video is ending right now. We'll post it up a little bit. I just gotta clean this shit off my computer.